कसे आहात स्टुडंट्स? मजेत ना? मस्त. आज आपण सराव संच 2.3 सुरू करणार आहोत. गेल्या लेक्चरमध्ये आपण सराव संच 2.2 पाहिलेला आहे, बरोबर आहे. तर आज आपण सराव संच 2.3 चा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. So we are going to learn the practice set 2.3. So the practice set 2.3 is having so many problems in there. So we are taken from first 1, 2 and 3 problems, and afterwards that tomorrow's lecture we are learn the remaining problems. Okay, so let's we start the practice set 2.3 question number 1. So what is it? So see, here is they are said state the order of the surds given below. So what you want to find out here? You want to find out order of the surds. So first we can write all the problems here which is given to you. That all problem is written here. See, the first problem is given here, cube root of 7. See, this is the V shape. In the V shape, which number is there? That is the order. Okay, see, this sign is the surds. Okay, so in this surd sign they are having the number, but in the V shape they are having which number? That is the order. So here is in the V shape, if you are observe, the order is 3. In this V shape there is no number. So here is, if no number, then it is the root. Root means there is no number, means that is square root. So here is no number, means it is 2. Order is 2. Then see, in this V shape they are having which number? 4 number. So order is 4. In 39, square root of 39, it can be read as square root of 39. So square root of 39, what is there? Is the no number in the V shape. So order is 2. See, cube root of 18, it is can be read as cube root of 18. So what is the order here? 3. So because in the V shape which number is there? 3 number is there. So order is 3. If some of the students don't understand English, then I will explain it into the Marathi. सी, आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे तर आपल्याला ऑर्डर काढायला सांगितलंय. मग ऑर्डर कशी ओळखायची? तर हा जो व्ही शेप दिसतोय तुम्हाला, व्ही आकार दिसतोय, या व्ही आकारामध्ये जो नंबर असेल तो त्याचा ऑर्डर असेल. मग आता बघा, हे क्यूब रूट ऑफ 7 आहे. सो क्यूब रूट ऑफ 7, सो व्हॉट इज इन द व्ही शेप? 3. सो ऑर्डर इज 3. here is square root of 12. so what is here? Order is 2. There is no number in the V shape. If in the V shape there is no number, then you can remember that in the V shape, if there is no number, then there is having 2. Then order is 2. See, in this V shape, या V shape मध्ये बघा, या V shape मध्ये बघा नंबर आहे, कोणता नंबर आहे? 4. म्हणून ऑर्डर किती आहे? 4 आहे. नंतर या V shape मध्ये बघा, या V shape मध्ये कोणताही नंबर नाही आहे. कोणताही नंबर नाही म्हणजे नंबर किती आहे? 2. म्हणजे ऑर्डर इज 2. या V shape मध्ये बघा, या V shape मध्ये 3 आहेत ना 3, म्हणजे ऑर्डर किती आहे? 3 आहे. Okay, that is we are see orally, and I am explain you how can you find out the order. So see, it is the cube root of 7. So what is order there are? So order is 3. So I write here 3. Order is 3. Then second problem, see, 5 into square root of 12. So here is in the V shape there is no number. In the V shape there is no number. That means that order is 2. So here is right, order is 2. Then problem number 3rd, that is, in the V shape there is the 4. In the V shape there is the 4. 4th root of 10. That can be read as 4th root of 10. So in the V shape which number is there? 4 number is there. So order is 4. Anyone doubts? Are you understand it or not? Please say me. Then we are going to see the next problem. This is the square root of 32. In the V shape there is 39. Sorry, it is the square root of 39. So in this V shape there is no number. Having number? No number. So here is no number. So no number means order is 2. So here is written order is 2. Then cube root of 18. This is the 18. Order is 3. Cube root of 18. So cube root of 18. What is the order here? 3. Because in the V shape there is the 3 number. So order is 3. Anyone doubts? If anyone having doubts, ask me. Then state which of the following are surds. Justify. So surds means the number must be irrational. The number must be irrational, and that's integer factors greater than 1. Okay, then that is the surds. So see, here is cube root of 51. So can you know the cube root of 51? I don't know the cube root of 51, means we cannot say the cube root of 51. So we cannot say the cube root of 51, so it is an irrational number. So it is an irrational number, so it's a surds. Okay, so this is a surds. How can we write? We can write 51 is a rational and 3 is the integer that is greater than 1. So rather than 1 or greater than 1, but cube root of 51 is irrational number because we don't know the cube root of 51. What is the cube root of 51? That we don't know. So it is irrational number. So if it is irrational number, then it is a surds. Such a way we are write first all the problems, then one by one we can solve this. So see, this is the first problem, that is they are asked cube root of 51. Okay, so cube root of 51 is a surds. Why I am saying it is a surds? Because I don't know the cube root of 51. What is it? Yeah, you know it, the cube root of 51? No, we don't know. So cube root of 51 we don't know, so it is irrational number, so it is a surds. But if you are taken separately, then 51 is positive rational number and 3 is a positive, this is the order 3, that can be right in words. Order 3 is a positive integer number and this 3 is greater than 1. But cube root of 51 is irrational number because we don't know the cube root of 51, so it is irrational number. So cube root of 51 is a surds. ज्यांच्या डोक्यावर न गेलं त्यांनी बघा की क्यूब रूट ऑफ 51 म्हणजे आपल्या 51 चं क्यूब रूट आपल्याला सांगता येतं का? जसं क्यूब रूट ऑफ 8 म्हटलं तर आपण लगेच म्हणू 2 आहे. ओके, क्यूब रूट किती आहे त्याचं 2 आहे 8 चं, असं आपण लगेच म्हणू. तसं क्यूब रूट ऑफ 51 तुम्हाला सांगता येतं का किती आहे ते? नाही येत आपल्याला, म्हणजे तो इरॅशनल नंबर आहे. आणि जेव्हा आपल्याला त्याचं क्यूब रूट सांगता येत नाही, समजा तिथे स्क्वेअर रूट असतं तर स्क्वेअर रूट सांगता येत नसेल, फोर्थ रूट असेल तर फोर्थ रूट सांगता येत नसेल, तर ते इरॅशनल असतं, हे लक्षात घ्या. आणि इरॅशनल नंबर असेल तर तो सर्ड्स असतो, हे लक्षात घ्या. मग आता त्याला क्यूब रूटच्या बाहेर काढून आपण कम्पेअर केलं. इथे 51 हा पॉझिटिव्ह नंबर आहे, दिसतोय आपल्याला साइन त्याचा पॉझिटिव्ह आहे आणि तो रॅशनल नंबर आहे. आणि 3 आहे हा पॉझिटिव्ह आहे आणि हा 3 हा 1 पेक्षा मोठा आहे. म्हणून क्यूब रूट हा ऑफ 51 चा आपल्याला काढता येत नाही क्यूब रूट किती आहे, म्हणून हा इरॅशनल नंबर आहे आणि म्हणून ते सर्ड्स आहे. ओके, आय विल एक्सप्लेन इट इंग्लिश ऑल्सो अँड ऑल्सो इन मराठी ऑल्सो फॉर युअर अंडरस्टँडिंग पर्पज. So see, here is the fourth root of 16. Fourth root of 16. So see, fourth root of 16 is possible. How it is possible? Because fourth root of 16 is 2. See, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. So if you are multiply 2 2 2, how many times? 4 times. Because there is order is also 4. So fourth root of 16. So fourth root of 16 is 2. Why it is 2? See, 2 1 ja 2. 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. Such a way. So when we are multiplied 2 2 2 4 times, then you are getting product is 16. But that 16 fourth root is, we know that if you are multiplied 2 4 times, then you get 16. So fourth root of 16 is possible, that is 2. So it's a fourth root, we know that, or we find out that fourth root easily. So it is irrational number. It is not a it is not irrational number. Means it is which number? It is rational number, because we know the fourth root of 16. So the fourth root of 16 is 2. So it is a rational number because we can easily know the fourth root of 16, that is 2. Why that is 2? Because if you are multiplied 2 how many times? 4 times. See, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. So this 2 multiply 4 times, then you are getting 16. So fourth root of 16 is 2. So it is a rational number. So it is not a surd. So here is written is not surd because its fourth root is, we know that is the 2. So it is a rational number. So it is not a surd. Not irrational means it is rational. Are you understand? Anyone doubts here? Then we are going to problem number 3rd. See, fifth root of 81. So can you know the 81 fifth root? Which number multiply 5 times, then you get 81? Is it possible? You know that fifth root of 81, which is that? See, check it. 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27. 27 3s are 81. But it is the fourth root. They are asked fifth root. See, the order is 5. So they want to find out the fifth root of that. So fifth root of 81 we don't know. We cannot find out the fifth root of 81. So fifth root of 81 is not find out. So it is irrational number. So it is irrational number. So it is a surds. Are you understand what I say? See, the fifth root of 81. We don't know the fifth root of 81. What is it? Which number is fifth root of 81? That we don't know. We cannot say the fifth root of 81. So it is a surds. So here is we write fifth root of 81 is an irrational number. Is irrational number. See, fifth root of 81 is surds because 81 is positive rational number. 81 is the rational number. Why? Because we know the square root of 81, that is 9. And 5 is positive integer numbers, but this 5 is greater than 1. Okay, so this 5 is greater than 1 and fifth root of 81 we don't know, so it is a irrational number, so is a surds. तुम्हाला एकच सांगतो की याच्यामध्ये फक्त एवढंच महत्त्वाचं आहे की जर त्याचा आपल्याला रूट जेवढा रूट विचारलेला असेल तेवढा रूट जर आपल्याला सांगता येत नसेल तर तो इरॅशनल नंबर होतो आणि जर तो इरॅशनल नंबर असेल तर तो सर्ड्स असतो, हे लक्षात घ्या. मग आता या ठिकाणी बघा फिफ्थ रूट ऑफ 81. मग फिफ्थ रूट ऑफ 81 आपल्याला सांगता येत नाहीये किती आहे तो, म्हणजेच तो इरॅशनल झाला. मग जर तो इरॅशनल असेल तर तो सर्ड्स असेल. बाकी हे सगळं एवढं काही महत्त्वाचं नाहीये, फक्त एवढंच लक्षात ठेवायचं की याचं जर आपल्याला फिफ्थ रूट सांगता येत नसेल तर तो इरॅशनल आहे आणि जर तो इरॅशनल असेल तर तो सर्ड्स आहे. सिंपल. ओके. मग बघा fifth root of 81, we cannot know the fifth root of 81, so it is a surds because it is a irrational number. Then another problem, that is the fourth problem. Square root, here is no order, so no order means order is 2 here, so order is 2, so square root of 256. So see, square root of 256, so we know that. What is the square root of 256? 16. See, here is 16. So we can find out the square root of 256. That is the 16. So it is a rational number. So if it is a rational number, then it is not a surds. Very simple. When the number is rational, it is not surds. When the number is irrational, it is a surds. Anyone doubts? See, if the number is rational, it is a surds. If number is irrational number. If number is irrational, it is a surds. But if number is rational, it is not a surds. So see, the square root of 56, they are said it is no order written, so that is 2. So square root of 56 is 16. So we know the square root of 256, so it is 16. So it is a rational number. So if number is rational, then it is not a surds. So it is not a surds. Then what is there? Cube root of 64. So we are just try to find out cube root of 64. At 64 unit place, which number is there? See, this is the 64. So 64 unit place, 64 unit place having 4. So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 16, 4 3s are 64. So 4 3s are 64. Means if you are multiply 4 3 times, 4 1s are 4. This is 1 time. 4 2s are 16. This is 2 times. 16 4s are 64. It is third times. So the cube root of 64 we get, that is the 4. Because if you multiply the 4 3 times, 4 into 4 into 4, then that product is 64. See, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So the cube root of 64, we know that is a 4, so it is a surds. Anyone doubts? See, the cube root of 64 is not a surds. Why not it is surds? Because we know the cube root of 64. What is the cube root of 64? 4. So it is a rational number. Because we can say the cube root of that number, so it is a rational number. So if it is a rational number, then it is not a surds. So here is written cube root of 64 is not surd, because cube root of 64 is 4, that we can find out, because 4 4 4 multiply 3 times, you get 64. So cube root of 64 is 4, so it is a rational number, so it is not a surds. Okay. Then 6 number problem, square root of 22 upon 7. Can you know the square root of 27? Square root of 27, here is no order, so order is 2. So square root of 27. Can you know the square root of 27? We don't know. We cannot know the square root of 27. So it is irrational number, because we cannot say the square root of 27. So it is irrational number. So if it is an irrational number, then it is a surds. And see, 22 upon 7 is positive number. See, here is written positive and rational, and order is 2, that is greater than 1. But 22 upon 7 square root we cannot find out, so it is an irrational number. So if it is irrational number, then it is a surds. So here is written square root of 22 upon 7 is a surds. Why surds? That reason is written here. Anyone doubts? Then see problem number 3rd. Classify the given pair of surds into like surds and unlike surds. So when you say like surds, when the square root numbers are same in the square root sign, or this is called the radicand, the radicand number is same, then it is a like surds. And if the radicand's number are not same, then it is a unlike surd. Meaning suppose Patil Patil, it is like Mhatre Mhatre, it is like surds. But Mhatre Patil, not a like surds, because Mhatre is totally different, Patil is totally different. So this is unlike surd. Means such a way, and this is given for understanding purpose example, but in mathematics also you can see the radicand number. If the radicand number are same, then they are like surds, and if the radicand numbers are not same, then it is a unlike surds. So first we can write all the problem here, then we can solve one by one. Okay, so see the first problem, that is the 52. Means this sign is called as the radicand. See, this is the sign, so that sign is called as the radicand sign. So this is the radicand is 52. So 52 can be factorized such a way one number square root must be get. Why it is factorized such a way one number square root must be get? Because there is order is 2. Okay, there is no number in the V shape, means that order is 2. So order is 2, so 52 can be factorized such a way one number square root must be get. So 4 into 13, 13 4s are 52, that you know the table of 13, and with help of that you can easily factorize 13 4s are 52. So 13 4s are 52. So you know the square root of 4, because we cannot know the square root of 13, but we know the square root of 4. So what is the square root of 4? So square root of 4 is 2. So we are getting 2 radicand 13. See, the square root of 4 is 2, so it is right outside the square root sign. So 4 square root 2, so it is written 2, and radicand 13 remain as it is. So see, this is the 52. The 52 is factorized, then you get 2 root 13. So root 52 and 2 root 13 are a like surds. Some are don't understand, for I am going back and showing them. See, here is 52, radicand 52 or square root 52, and here is 2 square root 13. So that you see here 52, and here is 2 square root 13. So this 52 can be factorized away, and if you are get radicand 13, then it is like surds. So see here, it is a 52 that we taken for factorization. 52 order is 2, so we are factorize the 52 such a way one number square root must be get. So 4 into 13. So 4 into 13, what you get? 52. 4 square root is 2, so 2 root 13. So here is write 2 square root 13. So this is factorization, you get root 52. So root 52 and that is given 2 root 13, they are same, so the radicand numbers are same, so they are like surds. Then another problem, what is given? 68. Okay, so 68, which is the pair with 68, that you can see first, and then we have find 68, and here is pair 5 root 3. Okay, so first we are factorize the 68 and find out what you get. So 68 order is 2, because in the V shape there is not given number, so order is 2. So square root of 68 you want to find out. So you are factorize 68 such a way one number square root must be get. You are factorize the 68 such a way that one number square root must be get. So see, what can you do? 68 one number square root must be get. Why you want to find out only square root? Because there is no number in the V shape. So order is 2. Order is 2 means you can find out square root of one number. So square root of 68 can be factorized such a way one number square root must be get. So see, 4 into 17. So 4 into 17, what you get? 17 4 ja 68. So why 17 4 ja 68 I am taken? Because one number square root must be get and the square root of 4 you can get easily. So here is you get square root of 4 2 radicand 17. Are you understand? So see, it is square root of 68 can be factorized. Then you are getting 2 square root of 17, and here is in the square root sign 3. So they are not a like terms because there is root in the third sign there is a 17 and in the third sign there is root 3. So they are not a like surds. Are you understand why it is like surd? Because there is 2 root 3 and 52 can be factorized. Then you are also get 2 root 3. Mean radicand number is same, root 13. Here is also root 13. But here is the square root of 68. When you are factorize this, then you get 2 radicand 17. Here is radicand 17 and here is radicand 3. So they are not alike terms. So unlike surds. Anyone doubts? Then problem number 3. 4 square root 18. 4 is remain as it is. 18 can be factorized such a way. 18 can be factorized such a way one number square root must be get. Why you want to find out square root only here? Because here is no order given. So if no order given, so order is 2. So order is 2. So 18 can be factorized such a way one number square root must be get. So 18 factorization 9 2 ja 18. Okay, 9 2 ja 18. So these 4 remain as it is. In radicand sign 9 into 2. So see, 9 square root. What is the 9 square root? 3. So 4 into 3 root 2. See, 4 is carry as it is. 9 square root is 3. So I write here 3. 4 into 3. What is the radicand number? 2. So I write here radicand 2. So 4 3s are 12. So 12 radicand 2. 12 radicand 2. So what is here given here? Just see. Here is 7 root 2 and here is 12 root 2. So see, root 2 they are same. 7 root 2. Here is also root 2. 12 root 2. There is also root 2. So root 2 same. So they are like surds. Are you understand why like surds? Because radicand number is here 2. 4 square root of 18 can be factorized such a way. 4 is remain as it is. 18 is factorized such a way one number square root must be get. So 9 2 ja 18. Then 9 square root you must be find out, that is 3. So 4 into 3 radicand 2. So here is radicand 2. 4 3s are 12. So you are getting 12 root 2. Okay, so 4 root 18 when it is factorized, then you are getting 12 root 2 and given source is 7 root 2. So here is root 2, here is root 2, they are same. So they are like surds. Do you understand? So they are like surds. Then 19 coefficient. 19 square root of 12. In the V shape there is no number. See, in the V shape having number, I am kept their cursor of red color. See, in that V shape having number there, no number. So no number, so no number is there. That means that they are having 2. So we are finding square root of 12. So we are factorize the 12 such a way one number square root must be get. So 12 factorize. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. Why 4 3s are? Because 4 square root we know. What is the square root of 4? 2. So you are getting 19 into 2 into root 3. So see, 19 carry as it is. 4 square root 2. So here is written 2. And radicand 3 remain as it is. Okay. 19 2s are 38. 38 root 3. And that's given pairs with 6 root 3. See, that given pairs with 6 root 3. So 19 coefficient square root of 12, that is factorized, then you get 38 root 3. So here is in the radicand 3 and 6 root 3. Here is radicand 3. So radicand 3 they are same. म्हणजे स्क्वेअर रूट मधला नंबर सारखा आहे बघा. इथे पण रूट 3 आहे, इथे पण रूट 3 आहे. स्क्वेअर रूट मध्ये इथे रूट 3 आहे. 6 रूट 3 यामध्ये पण स्क्वेअर रूट मध्ये रूट 3 आहे. दोन्हीकडे स्क्वेअर रूट मधला नंबर सारखा आहे म्हणजे हे लाईक सर्ट्स आहे. ओके, सो इट इज द लाईक सर्ट्स बिकॉज रेडिकंट नंबर आर सेम. देन इट इज easily know whether it is like or whether it is unlike. That can be easily know. See, here is the radicand number 22, here is the radicand number 33. So is it radicand numbers are same? Here is 22, here is 33. So radicand are not same. One is 22, one is 33. So radicand are not same. So this is unlike surds. Are you understand why unlike? Because radicand are not same. Then root 75. So root 75, here is the not given order, so order is 2. So square root of 75, want to factorize. 25 3 ja 75. Okay, it is the 75. 25 3 ja 75. So 25 3 ja 75. So 25 square root we must be find out. So whatever be the square root of 25, the square root of 25 is 5. So 5 root 3. So 25 square root is 5. So here is 5 root 3 you are getting. So what is the another number given here? 5 root 5 given here. But here is root 3. In the root number here is 3. In the root number here is 5. So the root numbers are not same. Here is root 3, here is root 5. So they are not same. So it is unlike surd. I hope that what I taught to you are understand it very well. So whether it is understand or not understand, that can be checked with help of the homework. So that homework is given on a screen. That is only a simple question to you. State the order of the surds. So I am already say you can find out order where is the V shape. In the V shape, if there is no number, the number is 2. So here is order is 2. Here is in the V shape, there is no number, so number is 2. So order is 2. Here is the no number given in the V shape, so order is 2. Here is order is 2. So whatever be the order, that must be right. Okay, if order are same, then you can write that 2 2 2. Okay, so I hope that you are understand. Then like this channel, subscribe this channel. If you are subscribed already, then share this video with another 9th standard students or your friends and say them to subscribe this channel. Have a nice day. Bye.